select the plane, sketch. Now see here, axis. Select the axis, select the point, select the end point. So it is the axis. Previously the line or whatever maybe we have drawn, it draw with thick line, okay, visible line. So if I want to convert this line into axis, then I will go for construction line. But see here difference, this is completely invisible, here it is visible. Now if I want to draw a thick line, I mean comes from construction line to normal line, click this line and click on this construction line. Now it is normal line, but if I want to do this same, select the line, construction line, it doesn't comes because it's not supposed to become thick line, it is purely axis line only, okay. And where we use this axis line, that's important. I draw this part, I want to mirror this one. So before doing mirror, we need some axis. See, I have selected these three lines. Why three lines? I want to mirror these three lines only, so I selected that. Now I want one axis line. See here, select the line or axis from which the element will remains equidistant. So now I am selecting this axis line. Let's see, here I have drawn the mirror of the part. So in these cases we use the neutral axis. If we use this line, when we exit the workbench in model, it consider this line also is used as the constraint boundaries for the part, unless if you specify that this is as axis. So it is not recommended to use as axis. Whenever you want do mirror parts and rotating parts, so use this command axis, it is very helpful. And this axis purpose only for use in the revolve options, symmetry options and mirror options. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.